So in today's video, I will guide you through on how to underline text or sentence or even paragraphs. I think it's the same thing. Once you learn how to underline, you can underline anything. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Also a disclaimer. Sadly, you will not be able to see the toolbar, but in your case, I hope you know where the toolbar is. So first step is go to the toolbar and go at the very third option. You can see the icon of a pen. That if you hover your pointer into the third icon, you can see highlight selected text. So tap into that option and a drop down menu will appear, and at the very second option you can see the option of underline. Simply tap into that option that says underline, and now all you have to do is select a sentence or word that you want to underline. So let's say you're in control. I want to underline this part of here. Select this one, and there you go. Okay, I think there might be a problem. It's quite thin, so it might not be visible. So you can also fix that by going onto the toolbar, and at the very bottom you can see the option of this. I hope there's an option. Okay, so this. Okay, sadly there is no option of adjusting the underline, but you can also change color. Since it's blue right now, let's turn it into more darker color like black, and I think it's more visible right now. So by doing this, you can do that. Okay, all right. Let's choose another sentence. Okay, with your PDF, so you can easily leave comments and like this. So this is basically how you can underline text in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.